Today, talking about Onyxcoin XCN 0.01 at the time of this video. Again, I hope everyone here is doing well. If we do take a look at the last month for Onyxcoin XCN, it's at, like I said, 0.011, around 1 penny. The trading volume is up massive, 55% over the last 24 hours, $370 million market cap. We are seeing the market as a whole bounce back. This morning, really over the weekend, was slowly but surely starting to climb back. Bitcoin back at 88,000, which is extremely bullish. And again, we're still just in that market sentiment where there's the tariffs going on. Is obviously very, very good to see when we talk about Bitcoin and its overall upside, and how obviously Bitcoin deeply affects the overall market, as far as just the sentiment and everything like that. But again, computer is moving extremely slow right now. Let's see Ethereum back here at 2,000, over $2,000, which is again very, very positive to see. And we can see really over the last 7 days, 24 hours, a lot of the major cryptos here back in the green over a 24-hour period. And just you can see here on the right side, the charts, at least Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to climb back up, creep back up, which again is what you really do want to see. But going back to Onyxcoin XCN, it is a utility coin, altcoin that I'm extremely bullish on this cycle. Nothing's really changed on my overall outlook here on Onyxcoin, and kind of how I feel about this project and where I think it could head, and just the overall floor that I think it does have. I've mentioned it in previous videos. I about 2 months ago, I was pivoting from not completely selling any meme coins. I still hold my meme coins, but looking to acquire and invest in more altcoins, utility coins with real world value, and Onyxcoin XCN really fits that bill. And if you take a look here, something interesting. Obviously, XCN sits on top of Ethereum. If you look at XCN's chart over the last month, right, you can see this pattern, and you compare it to Ethereum's chart, it's very similar. Now, Ethereum is going to bounce back, right? We're talking about Ethereum over the last year is down 38% all time. You can see how this price where Ethereum is right now. If we get back to these levels here, back what we saw the last bull run in 2021, and even back here in December where Bitcoin was north of $4,000, Bitcoin here at $4,600, many people believing this cycle Bitcoin can hit somewhere north of $8,000, which obviously that money would transition into altcoins like Onyxcoin XCN, like meme coins like Turbo, that all sit on top of Ethereum, and we would really get that bull cycle that we are all hoping for. But again, we need Ethereum to get back to these levels, and I do believe that time is coming. We talk about XCN as well, just tweets and things that they're putting out from their team that are bullish. I think it kind of doesn't stop. You can see here this tweet from yesterday. Did you know USDC is supported on the layer 3 XCN ledger? To view the other supported tokens to get started, visit bridge.onyx.org. And you can see, like, if you're familiar in the crypto space, the just the Onyx bridge is one of them, but just the different types of catalysts and I guess pillars within the ecosystem that are super bullish. You can see here this week's XCN gas refund has now been successfully completed, including the gas refund program for the Onyx protocol. This week included over 1,700 unique addresses. You can see this tweet from just 1 hour ago from me recording this video. Staking is 3.148% APR for XCN with no lockup period. Let us know if you're staking below. I got comments in like a XCN video from a few weeks ago that people are staking their XCN. And then again, just massive ecosystem, right? You can take a look yourself. I don't really need to explain the depths of the Onyxcoin ecosystem and how big it is, their partners and things like that. Even if you look at this post on CoinMarketCap, right, kind of breaking down where the next couple months or next year essentially look like for Onyxcoin XCN. They did release the technical white paper detailing network's architecture, which is what we're the quarter we're in right now. Test network launch to evaluate performance, security, and compatibility. Q1 of next year. Main network launch, allowing financial institutions to utilize the platform. Introduce the bank of connectivity mesh network for interbank transactions. Now, I think people get so caught up in the bull run and it being right now, right? But if you think about it, we're already in almost April of 2024. And if you just think about where we could be potentially in the digital asset space in the United States 12 months from now, let's just say March of 2026, given just the overall adoption that's going on, in the United States, I feel like it's tough to not be bullish on it when you take a look at just what's going on as far as the global crypto summit and all those different aspects that create bullish sentiment. You see coins like Onyxcoin sitting at 370 million market cap, and I think it's hard to not just kind of be bullish on them. Xcn I'm not only comparing it to XLM based on market cap. That has nothing to do with XLM at all. But at a 9 billion market cap, Onyxcoin XCN is a 23x, 24x from the time of this video is around 27 cents, which again is in any asset, any equity market, that is insane multipliers. Like, just to keep in mind what we are still investing in. We're investing in digital assets, and you compare investing in stocks. It's a lot easier, in my opinion, to find winners in the crypto space, especially this early on. Still, again, to me, it's early in the crypto space. With the next 12 months to 24 months being absolutely massive, and where I think a lot of wealth is going to be made for a lot of different people. So again, let me know. I'm still very, very, very bullish on Onyxcoin XCN. Please drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.